wait.
Okay.
6,470 to the nearest hundred. 6, yep. 6,000 to the nearest hundred.
Come on. No. Yep. 6, 5. Finish it. 0. 6, 5, 0.
Yep.
Is that it?
That's it. No, you've got
6, 5, 0. Come on, you haven't finished, love.
Yep.
Good.
6,500. Yes. Now, 3/7 of 49. So you need to work out what 1/7 is, and then three of them. So what's that going to be?
3.
No.
No.
20. And the next number.
Yep, 21. Okay, 6 squared. 6 to the power of 2.
6 to the power of 2.
Or 6 squared.
No. Go on.
It equals 6 times
3.
6, doesn't it? Yep,
6.
36, that's correct. Okay, and the square root of 81. Square root of 81. Something times itself, something times something is 81. So what is that number?
Have a go.
Yep, 9. 9 nines are 81. Okay. 13 minutes before 303. Two, yep. And I've got double dots here, but you can just use the one there. Yep. Left-handed even.
2.
5.
Go on. 2, 5.
0. Correct. 250. Okay. 723. Take away 95 or minus 95.
Go and have a go.
600 and 621. Is correct. Okay. 656. Now, how many 8s are there in 656?
That's a hard one to do in your head.
Yeah. Well, you can look at the 10s and say, well, there's 65 10s. So how many 8s are there in 65 10s? Yeah, there's 8 of them. And you say, okay, well that's 640. So that leaves a 10. You put a 10 over there, and then you say, okay, how many 8s in 16? You do that one.
How many 8s in 16? You've done the 8. How many 8s in 16 to get the rest of the answer?
Yep, 82. That is correct. Okay, the lowest common multiple of 12 and 8 is. So it's the lowest number that they will both divide into.
Have a go.
20.
No, good. I know you don't. Keep going, love. You're doing good. 20. Yep. Go on.
So let's. But you think about it, if you've got multiples of
Go
12,
on. You can do it.
12, 24, 36, 48, and then that's
He knows it, but I think he just doesn't like being filmed. But go on. Have a go.
multiples of
20.
8, 16, 24, and you say, hey, I've got a 24. I've got a
20 what,
24.
love?
Give us a call. Yeah, that's right. Okay.
This can just be a practice film, Ryan, so you get over your nervousness.
53 times 16. Now there's one for you. So you want 10 times 53 and 6 of them as well. What's that going to be? I actually did this in my head.
I think I know. 800
is correct. 800 and... Sounds like you said the answer. 800 and?
So make sure you,
Are you repeat? We are.
you're right so far. 840, what's the last number? 840.
Correct. Well done. Okay. Now, you got 2.75 and 1, and you're multiplying by 100. Have I done ones like this with him before?
What's that?
Have I done ones like this with him before?
I think so.
It's yours.
I'm not sure.
Okay. You got a 2.
Yeah.
2. What's next? That's 2.751, and we want it multiplied by 100, so we're going to start with a 2.
Don't tell them how to do it. Have a go, love. 2. We've got the 2.
What's next?
No.
No. When you multiply by 10, or multiples of 10, then you're virtually making it 10 times bigger. So you're just moving this decimal point. And because we're got 2 zeros, we're going to move it 2 places like this. So our decimal point is going to be 75.1. So that's how we do it. There's 2 zeros, you just move it 2 places like that. Because you started off with 2, you're going to end up with 200, aren't you, if you multiply by 100. Okay, so it's 275.1. Okay, now we've got 2 more than minus 7. Like minus 7 plus 2, what's that going to be?
You've got to do the sign. Look at the signs.
Yeah, because we've gone 7 steps down and we're going to take 2 steps back up. So we're still down, we still need this minus first. But
Minus, let him have a go. Minus what?
Nothing.
yes, that's correct. Minus 5. That's right.
Sure will.
Good, Ryan. I think that's enough.
Yeah.